You heard about these porch pirate types? They go and they steal off the porch. Kirk's not worried about them in his neighborhood. We talked about it earlier. He's not really worried.
Okay.
Doesn't affect him. I don't know. He must have a nice neighborhood, I guess. We have a new video that came out this year. V2, I think it's Mark Rober. He always does the glitter bomb to the porch pirate. I actually like this one. This is because this one's really practical. Colorado mom lets porch pirates take out her trash with decoy packages, and she says they deserve it. So, you got to bring your trash out to the corner.
Yeah.
You got to bring your trash out to the corner.
Yeah.
Maybe it's cold out. I don't know. There's slush and snow. I mean, there would be maybe in Colorado even. And you say to yourself, got to take the trash out.
I got a couple Amazon boxes here,
Yeah. So she says to herself, look, I had 10 consecutive packages stolen, including her daughter's medication for diabetes.
Ugh. Now it's personal.
That's rude.
Yeah.
What you doing? You stealing the medication now? You know what I don't get about these guys? Okay, you want to steal some stuff. Crack the box. 2 seconds, box cutter. Crack the box. See if it's, I don't know, if you got a gadget or something. Am I telling people how to steal now? I mean, don't do it in the first place. But you got the diabetes medication. Now it's going to take another 3 days to get there. It's useless to you. Like there's no secondary market for diabetes medication. You get $5 for that. I don't know. Maybe they looked at it. Maybe they did, and they saw the pill ball, and they thought, well, I don't know. Maybe this is good stuff I can sell. I don't know.
Or use.
Maybe they got diabetes.
The off chance.
Oh my god!
Get diabetes medicine.
Oh my god! Diabetic porch pirates. It's a hot new trend.
Craze.
Oh my god! No, obviously, yeah. I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there. Crack the box. It could be a lot of things. Maybe it's a teddy bear, and you say, I don't need the teddy bear. Teddy bear's for them. I don't know. It's not like one theft is better than the other theft, but I'm just saying I feel like a lot of stuff probably ends up in the garbage anyway. It's useless to the person stealing it. But anyway, this lady does something great. She takes the Amazon boxes and fills them with her own trash and effectively gets the porch pirates to take her garbage out for her. Because they just take the whole box, they put on a passenger seat, they roll up, they put on a passenger seat. They think they got a major Amazon score. It's all taped up. It's taped up nice. They see the label. We did it again. And then they go crack the box. It's disgusting. They crack the box. They got food scraps in there.
Smells like spoiled milk.
Yeah, everything's spoiled in there. It's rotting. You put the most rotten stuff in there as well. I don't know. I liked it. I thought it's kind of one of those karma moments. I think that's why those videos do really well. That's rubbing it in a little bit. Me 3, you 0, stop stealing. And you won't be dealing with, and that's an expletive crossed out. I don't know if you have to do all that. I don't know what the right move is. It's unfortunate this stuff has to take place, but it appears it takes place. That's the way it goes, what you're going to do. But this is kind of a funny one. You take the garbage out. Of course, we've seen the glitter bomb as well. There's many, many ways to deal with this. Also, the pirates could leave the porches alone.
I think this attack might be personal.
Oh.
Like, it's like, oh, hey, I took out your garbage. Like, that's not funny. And then.
Oh, now they're upset. Yeah. It's escalating. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what you want to do. I probably wouldn't do this. I don't know what I'm going to do if this is me.
Get a camera. And then.
The camera doesn't solve it, though.
That's true.
They all still do it. I don't know. I don't know what you're supposed to do. I guess you have to stop letting Amazon drop the packages. You have to sign for it. And then it makes it such a hassle for you because you have to go and pick it up elsewhere or something.
Yeah, although sometimes I feel like they drop the package off to your neighbor.
Oh, okay. Maybe that works. Oh, you know what? There was a company trying to market lock boxes with a combo, and then the package goes in there. So maybe there's a way to do it, but it all depends how big of a problem this turns into or remains. We have to wait and see. But as people are ordering things online, you got to assume you're going to see more of this kind of back and forth.